Ding, 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 ding. Hey, come here, yaar. Hey, you also come here. Ding, 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 ding. Boing, 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 boing. Boing, 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 boing. Ding, 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 ding. Dusha-da-da, dusha-da-da, dusha-da-da. Kick-Ass Productions. Yeah, dusha. In association with Star presents The Curious Case of the Awesome Developer. Legend tells of a legendary developer whose coding skills were stuff of legend. He switched from company to company in search of worthy projects. Enough designing. Let's code. Wadi maga, wadi maga, wadi maga, wadi maga, bada bada, no. It mattered not how many coding guidelines, how many security violations, and how many code quality assurance reports lay in his way. They were no match for his sheer awesomeness. Yeah! Many testers would go blind by overexposure to sheer awesomeness of his code. Ah, my eyes! His code is too awesome! He was greatly admired by all his teammates too. Ah, he's so handsome. And productive. How can we compensate you? There is no compensation for handsomeness or productivity. Never before had a developer been so feared and admired. Great managers of the entire IT industry bowed in front of the awesome developer. And they all thought of only one thing. You should be in my team. My team, my team, oh my team. Agreed. But they were not going to get him so easily. He, oh, ah. And I thought my management was bad. You see, if you're good at something, never do it for free. Bid, 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 bid. And so, according to latest trends, they decided to bid for the awesome developer. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, I will give you a brand new MS-DOS system, man. One company t-shirt every month. Hey, you resolve one eSIM, I will give you one more eSIM free. How can you resolve? Hey, listen, one elevator will be dedicatedly working for you and it will never break down. Okay, free food for you 24/7. Hey, listen. Up-to-date database. How can you update? Hey, listen, no security checks at all for you. Oh, really? Oh, really? PC man or no NASA DRM in your system? Hey, listen, hey man, hey, I will fill your timesheets and weekly reports, yaar. How can you fill? Okay. Marriage leave for you every year. You will get an actual gift on your birthday and you need not come to office that day. Your birthday will be RH for everybody else. I will give you work. Kabhi khushi, kabhi gum. See, no touching. Is this a match made in heaven or hell? Let's wait and see. Ting ding 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 ding.
thus finding his rightful place. The awesome developer has his first meeting with a new manager.
Oh, where is this manager? Is always late. Is manager? Hey, awesome developer. Welcome to our team.
Thanks.
Your colleagues will help you out with the technical stuff and all. Apart from that, do you have any doubts about the organization?
Yeah, I heard about the hike is not like the regular hike. Can you just tell me in brief how it is calculated?
Yeah. Sure. Wait, let me bring a board for you. Hey, poing, 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 poing. Okay, let A be your basic. Let X be the multiplication factor such that A into X is equal to pike, which is what we call hike over here. Assume that your performance follows a Gaussian distribution with mean equal to the number of milestones in the project and variance equal to the average number of people leaving during the project of the year. This, as you may know, is a random variable whose project is Poisson variable. Applying your performance function in the Schrodinger wave equation and using the project uncertainty principle which says that if you understand the project, you can understand the person and vice versa, we arrive at a psi function whose second derivative in the space domain will give you the value of x. We substitute this back into equation 1 and arrive at your pike. I can't say exactly how much it will be, but it on an average 7 to 8 times your basic. Eddie, hey, is this all clear for you?
Yeah, something 7 to 8 times.
Sometimes it can be even more, yaar.
Okay, got it. And when I will be getting this spike?
That is very simple. You see, instead of taking the second derivative of the psi function in the space domain, you take the second derivative in the time domain. Then you will get the interval in which you will get your pike. Needless to say, you will be getting this very often, yaar. Any more doubts?
No. I guess I'll understand more as I talk to my teammates.
I wonder whether they will be able to help you. Yeah. They will clear out for things. Yeah.
Okay, then great. I'll get back to work then.
And so, the awesome developer sets out on his quest to complete this project. Little did he know what lay ahead.
Scene 7.
Boing! Boing! Choing! Noing! Bada 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 बड़ा बड़ा
भाइयों बहनों घबराने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं, ये केवल एक स्क्रीन सेवर मात्र है. धन्यवाद. डिंग डिंग डिंग. A normal day in the office. The awesome developer, without wasting a minute, get down to business.
The manager approaches. Pom 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 pom. Hey, awesome developer. Hey, Eddie. Eddie!
What?
We need to run the code through clockwork here. Try and get the license. If you get it, no, I will take you through the next steps.
Yeah. Got it. Next is what?
I can't believe it. You got the clockwork license in the first attempt. What? Really? What? Oh, congrats. Hey, congrats. For getting the clockwork license in record time, we give you this Stop Award. Stop Award. Stop Award. Stop Award. Stop Award. Stop Award. Stop Award.
How do you feel about this great achievement?
I set up his build environment for him, yaar.
I brought him coffee today.
I also taught him how to raise a call report, man.
I tested his PC.
Hey, I was just doing my job, yaar. Stop Award. This is just the beginning. As the days passed, the awesome developer gets used to the ways of the company. The awesome developer believes that an awesome day begins with an awesome breakfast. Oh, shit, I'm late. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da!
मैं समय हूं। 8:15 के बाद मैं भी भूखा हूं।
ए, अंग्रेजी क्या?
Yeah, I miss my breakfast today.
ओ, अब तो तुम्हारी मदद सिर्फ एक आदमी कर सकता है।
कौन?
कम 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 कम।
गोविंदा 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 गोविंदा। आलू बंडा आलू बंडा आलू बंडा आलू बंडा।
इडली वड़ा इडली वड़ा इडली वड़ा इडली वड़ा इडली वड़ा। गोविंदा। सरकार सरकार है सरकार 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 सरकार, ये हमारे कंपनी में नया है सरकार।
विष्णु, कितनी बार बोला तेरे को पानी में चटनी कम डाला कर।
सरकार सरकार, इसका ब्रेकफास्ट मिस हो गया सरकार। गोविंदा 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 गोविंदा। आलू बोंडा आलू बोंडा आलू बोंडा आलू बोंडा। गोविंदा।
हाय, अगली बार जब मैं इसे देखूं तो मुझे ये भूखा नहीं दिखना चाहिए। मैं नहीं जानना चाहता ये क्या खाता है, पर मुझे ये भूखा नहीं दिखना चाहिए। ए विष्णु, शिक ठक।
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक
ए 10 रुपए तो निकाल।
सारी 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 सारी
फ्री फंड में खाने चले आते हैं। क्या आप आज भी भूखे हैं? पेश करते हैं सरकार ब्रेकफास्ट, समय के साथ भी और समय के बाद भी। आज ही खाइए सरकार ब्रेकफास्ट। टिंग टिंग टिंग।